Maserati. The name alone conjures images of sleek Italian sports cars roaring down coastal roads. Picture this, the sun setting in the background. Founded in 1914, Maserati is more than just a car company. It's a statement. They represent style, performance, and exclusivity. Maserati is a brand steeped in history, driven by passion. From the beginning, Maserati has been about pushing boundaries to achieve the ultimate in automotive excellence. The company was founded by the Maserati brothers, all of whom were passionate about cars and racing. This passion is still evident in every Maserati built today. Each car is a masterpiece of engineering, a testament to Italian craftsmanship. Maserati has a rich racing heritage and a commitment to innovation that has cemented their place in automotive history. Maserati is a brand that evokes emotion, inspires drivers and enthusiasts alike. It's a legend on four wheels. Motorsports are in Maserati's DNA. From the very beginning, the brand has been synonymous with speed, precision, and a relentless pursuit of excellence. The roar of the engine, the thrill of the race, and the sheer determination to be the best are all part of Maserati's storied legacy. It's where the legend was forged. The early days of Maserati were marked by a series of groundbreaking achievements on the racetrack. These moments were not just about winning. They were about setting new standards and pushing the boundaries of what was possible in automotive engineering. From the moment they rolled onto the track, Maserati cars made their presence known, winning races and breaking records. Each victory was a testament to the brand's commitment to innovation and performance. The sight of a Maserati crossing the finish line first became a familiar and exhilarating spectacle. This was a brand that wasn't afraid to push the limits. Whether it was navigating sharp turns with precision or accelerating down the straightaways with unmatched speed, Maserati cars were built to dominate. The engineers and drivers shared a common goal: to be the fastest and the best. They were hungry for victory. Every race was a new challenge, a new opportunity to prove their mettle. The drivers, with their steely determination and unwavering focus, embodied the spirit of Maserati. They knew that every second counted, and they pushed themselves and their cars to the absolute limit. One name forever linked with Maserati's racing success: Juan Manuel Fangio. This Argentinian racing driver was a legend in his own right. Fangio's partnership with Maserati was a match made in racing heaven. His skill behind the wheel and his deep understanding of the car's capabilities made him a formidable competitor. Behind the wheel of a Maserati 250F, Fangio captured the Formula One World Championship in 1957. This victory was not just a personal triumph for Fangio, but also a monumental achievement for Maserati. It showcased the brand's engineering prowess and its ability to compete at the highest levels of motorsport. It was a defining moment for Maserati, cementing their place as a force to be reckoned with. The celebrations that followed were a testament to the hard work, dedication, and passion of everyone involved with the team. It was a moment of pride and a clear signal to the world that Maserati was here to stay. Maserati's racing pedigree wasn't limited to Formula One. They tasted victory in sports car racing as well. Maserati's versatility and adaptability allowed them to excel in various forms of motorsport. Whether it was endurance racing or sprint events, Maserati cars consistently performed at the highest level. Their cars were known for their speed, agility, and reliability. These qualities made them a favorite among drivers and fans alike. The combination of cutting-edge technology and meticulous craftsmanship resulted in vehicles that were not only fast, but also incredibly responsive and dependable. These victories weren't just about crossing the finish line first, they were about proving the capabilities of Maserati's engineering. Each race was a proving ground, a place where the limits of performance and innovation were tested and redefined. The engines, the aerodynamics, the handling, every aspect of the car was pushed to its maximum potential. This relentless pursuit of excellence on the track had a direct impact on their road cars. The lessons learned in the heat of competition filtered down to the design and performance of their production models. The same principles that made their race cars successful were applied to their road cars, ensuring that every Maserati delivered an unparalleled driving experience. Maserati brought the thrill of the racetrack to the open road. Driving a Maserati was not just about getting from point A to point B, it was about experiencing the exhilaration and passion that defined the brand's racing heritage. Every journey in a Maserati was a reminder of the brand's storied past and its commitment to excellence. Maserati offers a range of models, each catering to a different kind of driver. From the sleek and sporty to the luxurious and powerful, there's a Maserati for everyone. But they all share that unmistakable Maserati DNA. This DNA is characterized by a blend of Italian craftsmanship, cutting-edge technology, and a passion for performance. Let's take a closer look at some of the standout models in Maserati's impressive lineup, starting with the Ghibli. The Ghibli is Maserati's entry-level sedan. It's designed to offer a taste of the Maserati experience without compromising on quality or performance. But don't let that fool you. The Ghibli is anything but basic. It boasts a luxurious interior, advanced technology, and a range of powerful engines. It's a luxurious and sporty car that makes a statement wherever it goes. Whether you're cruising through the city or taking a long drive on the highway, the Ghibli delivers an exhilarating experience. The Ghibli combines powerful engines with sharp handling, making it a joy to drive on any road. Next up we have the Quattroporte. This is Maserati's flagship sedan. The Quattroporte represents the pinnacle of Italian luxury and performance. It's the epitome of Italian luxury and performance. The Quattroporte offers a spacious and opulent interior, filled with the finest materials and the latest technology. The Quattroporte is spacious and comfortable, but it's also incredibly powerful, making it the perfect car for both business and pleasure. Whether you're attending a business meeting or going on a weekend getaway, the Quattroporte has you covered. Then there's the Levante, Maserati's foray into the SUV market. The Levante combines the luxury and performance Maserati is known for with the versatility and capability of an SUV. It's a luxurious and capable SUV that's ready for any adventure. Whether you're driving through the city or exploring off the beaten path, the Levante is up to the task. The Levante offers a commanding driving position and plenty of space for passengers and cargo. It's perfect for families, adventurers, and anyone who needs a bit more room without sacrificing style or performance. It's as comfortable off-road as it is on city streets. The Levante's advanced all-wheel drive system and adaptive air suspension ensure a smooth and controlled ride in any condition. Finally, we have the Gran Turismo. This is Maserati's Grand Touring Coupe, designed for those who love to drive. The Gran Turismo is a true driver's car, offering a perfect blend of performance, luxury, and style. This is Maserati's Grand Touring Coupe, designed for those who love to drive. The Gran Turismo is a head-turner, boasting a powerful engine and incredible handling. The Gran Turismo is a head-turner, boasting a powerful engine and incredible handling. It's the perfect car for those who appreciate the finer things in life and enjoy the thrill of driving. This makes it the perfect car for a weekend getaway or a cross-continent road trip. With its comfortable interior and impressive performance, the Gran Turismo is built for long journeys and unforgettable experiences. Each Maserati model is a work of art, a testament to the brand's commitment to excellence. From the meticulous craftsmanship to the innovative technology, every detail is designed to provide an unparalleled driving experience. They cater to those who demand the best. Whether you're looking for a sporty sedan, a luxurious SUV, or a grand touring coupe, Maserati has a model that will exceed your expectations. Section 4. The Art of Automotive Design. Italian flair meets mechanical mastery. Maserati cars are more than just machines, they are rolling sculptures. Each Maserati is crafted with meticulous attention to detail. They combine elegant Italian design with powerful engineering. The result is a car that is both beautiful and exhilarating to drive. The exterior of a Maserati is unmistakable. It features flowing lines, aggressive curves, and a bold grille adorned with the iconic Maserati trident. This trident is a symbol of power and prestige. It's a reminder of the brand's rich heritage. Inside, Maserati interiors are a testament to Italian craftsmanship. They use only the finest materials such as premium leather, wood, and carbon fiber. The result is a cabin that is both luxurious and inviting. Every detail, from the stitching on the seats to the layout of the dashboard, is designed to enhance the driving experience. Maserati's design philosophy goes beyond aesthetics. They also focus on aerodynamics. The sleek lines and curves of their cars aren't just for show. They are designed to cheat the wind. This improves performance and efficiency. Section 5. The heart of a stallion: power and performance under the hood. Maserati is synonymous with powerful engines and exhilarating performance. These engines are not just about raw power, they are about delivering an experience that is both thrilling and refined. These cars are designed to thrill. Every Maserati is engineered to provide an adrenaline rush. whether you're accelerating on a straightaway or navigating through winding roads. They are built for drivers who crave the feeling of being pushed back in their seats. The moment you press the accelerator, you can feel the car's power surging through you, making every drive an unforgettable experience. Under the hood of every Maserati lies a work of art. These engines are not just mechanical components, they are masterpieces of engineering designed to deliver both power and beauty. They are high-performance engines that are hand-built and meticulously tuned. Each engine is crafted with precision, ensuring that it meets the highest standards of performance and reliability. These engines deliver a symphony of sound. The roar of a Maserati engine is not just noise, it is music to the ears of any car enthusiast. The roar of a Maserati engine is unmistakable. It is a sound that commands attention and respect, a sound that signifies power and performance. It's enough to send shivers down your spine. The visceral reaction you get from hearing the engine roar is something that words cannot fully capture. Maserati offers a range of engines to suit different driving styles. Whether you prefer the smooth power delivery of a V6 or the raw, unbridled force of a V8, there is an engine for you. From powerful V6s to roaring V8s, Maserati engines are designed to cater to a variety of preferences and driving needs. There is a Maserati engine for everyone. Each engine is designed to provide a unique driving experience, ensuring that there is a perfect match for every driver. These engines are paired with sophisticated transmissions. The advanced transmission systems ensure that the power from the engine is delivered smoothly and efficiently to the wheels. This ensures seamless power delivery and lightning-fast gear changes. The result is a driving experience that is both exhilarating and smooth, allowing you to fully enjoy the car's performance. But power is nothing without control. Maserati understands this. That's why their cars are equipped with advanced handling systems that ensure you can harness all that power safely and effectively. That's why their cars are also incredibly agile and responsive. The precise steering and advanced suspension systems make every drive a joy. Whether you're on a twisty mountain road or a smooth highway, they feature advanced suspension systems and precise steering. These components work together to provide a driving experience that is both comfortable and exhilarating. This gives drivers the confidence to push the car to its limits. Knowing that your car can handle whatever you throw at it allows you to fully enjoy the driving experience. Whether it's a winding mountain road or a high-speed track day, a Maserati is always up for the challenge. These cars are built to perform in any situation, providing a driving experience that is second to none. A Maserati is always up for the challenge. No matter where you take it, you can be sure that it will deliver the performance and excitement that you expect from a car of this caliber.